In this video, I'm going to show some examples of word problems that involve ratios. Ratios are very similar to fractions. Fractions compare parts to wholes, but ratios compare parts to parts. And ratios are written in a format that looks a little bit different to fractions. Normally in a fraction, you would have a number as a numerator and then a number as a denominator, and you have a bar separating them. In ratios, we have a colon separating your first part to your second part. Keep in mind that just like fractions, the order that you put the numbers in ratios very much matters. Question 1 says a pet store sells tropical fish. The store currently has 18 angelfish, 6 tetras, and 39 guppies for sale. What is the ratio of angelfish to guppies that are for sale? So our first number we want to be angelfish. There were 18 angelfish. And our second number we want to be guppies. There were 39 guppies. We can simplify a ratio just like we would simplify a fraction. In this case, 3 is a factor of both 18 and 39, so I can pull out a 3, and we have then 6 to 13, which is choice A. What that means is for every 6 angelfish, there are 13 guppies. Question 2 says Mrs. Siam is baking brownies for a school party. The recipe makes 30 brownies and calls for 2 cups of sugar and 6 eggs. What's the ratio of brownies to eggs? So to make 30 brownies, the problem tells us that it takes 6 eggs. However, this ratio is not in simplest form. We can pull out a 6 from each one. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So for every 5 brownies, it takes 1 egg. You could also think of that as 1 egg will then make you 5 brownies. In question 3, Alice is making breakfast for her family. The pancake recipe she is using requires 12 tablespoons of butter and 6 eggs. The recipe makes 24 pancakes. What's the ratio of eggs to pancakes? 6 eggs is going to come first, and that makes us 24 pancakes. That is not in simplest form because we can pull out a 6 from both of those numbers. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So our ratio of eggs to pancakes is 1 egg makes 4 pancakes. Or we could say we can make 4 pancakes from 1 egg.